Harvesting begins as skilled farmhands meticulously select and cut ripe cocoa pods from the lush plantation. Skilled farmhands begin the meticulous process, revealing nature's sweet secret. Fermentation begins, transforming the bean's raw taste into the rich flavors of chocolate. From distant farms to the bustling factory, cocoa beans begin their transformative journey. Automated precision begins the journey, slitting sacks to reveal the cocoa's bounty. The conveyor system efficiently delivers raw cocoa beans to their temporary storage. The automated system ensures a consistent, high-volume flow of cocoa beans. The journey of transformation begins as colossal machines meticulously purify nature's bounty. Advanced air systems precisely remove even the lightest debris, ensuring purity at a rapid pace. From raw pods to pristine beans, technology refines nature's essence for chocolate's perfection. Perfectly purified, these beans await their transformation into world-class chocolate. At the quality control station, purified cocoa beans undergo rigorous inspection to meet global standards. Advanced optical scanners detect the minutest imperfections, ensuring only the finest quality beans proceed. A vast conveyor system lifts clean cocoa beans, ready for their transformative journey. These colossal roasters ensure every bean is perfectly toasted, unlocking the rich flavors of cocoa. Advanced sensors and precise controls continuously monitor the roasting, guaranteeing optimal flavor development. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision heating transforms the raw cocoa, unlocking its rich potential. Automated systems ensure consistent quality, batch after perfect batch. The transformation is complete, readying them for the next stage. Rapid cooling preserves their complex flavor profile. Within its towering chambers, roasted cocoa beans are meticulously separated, beginning their transformation. From humble beans emerge pure cocoa nibs, the very essence of chocolate's rich flavor. Each cocoa nib, a testament to precise engineering, holds the concentrated flavor of chocolate. The journey continues as these pristine cocoa nibs are prepared for the next stage of chocolate production. Our expert scrutinizes cocoa nibs, ensuring only the finest, shell-free fragments proceed. Every batch undergoes rigorous evaluation, guaranteeing superior taste and quality. Here, robust grinding mills begin transforming cocoa nibs into a rich, dark liquor. These colossal mills, cooled by intricate systems, are central to unlocking the cocoa's essence. Inside, powerful forces transform the nibs into a flowing, liquid cocoa mass. The constant hum of these powerful machines signifies the relentless pursuit of perfection. Powerful rollers begin to pulverize the nibs, releasing the cocoa's rich essence. The paste becomes a smooth, flowing chocolate liquor, a true marvel of modern engineering. Automated systems ensure continuous, pristine chocolate liquor production. From raw nibs to liquid gold, technology transforms nature's bounty. This pure chocolate liqueur is now prepared for its next transformation. Colossal silos stand sentinel as the intricate journey of chocolate refining begins. Precision engineering guides pure sugar from immense silos, a vital addition. All elements converge into a colossal, multi-story refining machine, engineered for perfection. The multi-story design allows for progressive refinement, layer by layer. Advanced control systems monitor every parameter, ensuring consistent quality. Intricate rollers meticulously adjust, achieving unparalleled fineness and texture. The perfectly refined chocolate paste emerges, ready for the next transformation. From colossal machines, the chocolate's journey continues, smooth and refined. Here, the chocolate's journey to perfection continues through meticulous conching. Giant rollers meticulously plow, transforming raw essence into silky, smooth chocolate. This colossal hall orchestrates a symphony of flavor development, second by second. Hours of conching unlock unparalleled depth of flavor and a silken smooth texture. The refined chocolate, now smooth and aromatic, is prepared for its next delicious stage. Over many hours, the chocolate paste gradually refines, its texture becoming increasingly smooth. Precision engineering ensures perfect consistency and texture. The meticulous process transforms raw ingredients into a luxurious, flowing liquid chocolate. Precision and quality converge as liquid chocolate, crafted from finest cocoa, undergoes rigorous scrutiny. A delicate moment of truth. The first taste reveals the chocolate's intricate profile. Smoothness, acidity, and deep cocoa notes are evaluated for perfection. Precision is paramount. Liquid chocolate moves through intricate, temperature-controlled tempering chambers. Automated systems guide the molten chocolate, ensuring uniform texture and perfect crystallization. This colossal tempering line represents the pinnacle of modern chocolate manufacturing. Perfectly tempered, the silky chocolate is now ready for its next transformation. Synchronized nozzles prepare to begin the intricate dance of chocolate deposition. With unparalleled precision, each mold is filled perfectly, ensuring zero spillage or waste. Advanced systems are meticulously monitored, ensuring flawless, continuous operation. Freshly molded chocolate glides forward, embarking on its journey toward cooling and perfection. The factory hums with the rhythm of innovation, a symphony of automation and scale. From bean to bar, precision engineering ensures every chocolate piece meets the highest standard. Every mold, every piece, crafted to perfection through relentless automation. Precision cooling transforms liquid into solid, creating the perfect foundation for chocolate bars. Advanced robotics ensure precision demolding, transforming liquid cocoa into solid perfection. From pod to plate, each glossy chocolate bar emerges, a testament to modern production. The seamless process from cooling to demolding showcases modern chocolate craftsmanship. Precision robotics transform raw cocoa into perfected chocolate bars, seamlessly advancing through automated lines. Multiple robotic arms work in perfect synchronicity, a dance of precision and speed, ensuring consistent quality. In the final act, advanced robots meticulously stack each bar, readying them for distribution worldwide. Advanced robotics ensure every chocolate box is stacked with unparalleled precision, ready for transport. Autonomous guided vehicles stand ready, their sensors guiding them to collect and transport the finished products. Guided by intelligent systems, the chocolate finds its temporary home within a vast cathedral-like warehouse.